healthcare industry. So if you could also add your thoughts on what you are doing in Godrej. You head the supply chain for Godrej Memorial Hospitals. So how are you managing cost and compliance, and is your experience very similar to what Nandini mentioned?
It's a great question for me. Thanks for inviting, and sorry for the delay because of traffic congestion. Actually, quality for patient care and quality is very much important in healthcare. Patient care, quality products we need to supply, and there should be no stockouts. Emergency drugs management, we need to manage everything. And it's not like for the products, other medicines, other everything we can procure after some time. But there is no time for the patients. If there is any emergency, we have to procure it on time. For that, we need to have stock out records, emergency, means whatever is there in market or not, that we should have record on our tasks. Even we need to maintain the suppliers. Those who will supply within 1 hour, half an hour, we should have a sustainable supplier relationship. In long-term relationship with the suppliers, means they can come anytime for our emergency. That is also very much important. Even quality drugs. It's not like you are purchasing any medicine from any vendor because their cost is less. We can't depend on only cost. Quality is very important in patient's care. Only then you need to purchase from authorized vendors, with licensed vendors. Everything we need to check, all the documentation while purchasing medicines. Not depends on only any cost or anything. Cost is important, but quality is also that much important while procurement. And you need to maintain a relationship properly with the patients for the patient's care. That is very important in and suppliers relationship for that, because if we have a better relationship with the suppliers and company, then they will supply a proper quality products. They will then only we can assure a proper system. Even we should have a ABC analysis to maintain a stock of the drugs. Like A category, B category, which drugs we need to maintain as per the consumption, that we should have on our this list. That we should, everything we need to maintain properly. Then only we can balance compliance and cost for the care for the patients. It's very much important.